Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you 4 easy ways to import your media files and folder in Filmora 14 without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, just like what you see right here, one of the ways to import media file in Filmora is that, which is very much common to people, is to click on import right here. However, if you do this, you can import as many as possible as well. But what if I told you there are more 6 ways to import media file in Filmora? Let me show you how. So just like so, I'm going to close all this particular tab right here. Then what we want to do here is to come to the top right here. You click on here, then you see so many ways by which you can import your media file in Filmora video editing software. Like for instance, for the first on my list right here is import media file. You can as well press Ctrl+I, which allow you to select your file. And another one here is import a media folder. So let's take a look at import media file. Click on it, or however, you can press Ctrl+I. This will pump up your media file environment in your PC. Here, you can import either JPEG, PNG, PDF, or media file or audio, which is MP3, WAV, or whatever file formatted by whatever file supported by Filmora video editing software. What we want to do here is to see how we can simply import video file and JPEG file or screenshot, as the case may be, into our Filmora video editing software. So right here, I'm going to select this particular video clip right here. And then one good thing here is that you can select as many as possible file. So what you need to do is to press Ctrl key down and select as many as possible media file you want to select, whether JPEG file or MP4 or MP3. Once you select as many as possible number of file you want to import, go ahead and click on open right here. Then all the file is going to open up just like what you see right here. So this is one of the first way and then easy way to import media file in your Filmora video editing software. So I'm going to delete all this, and then we'll go ahead and see how we can go ahead and see how we can easily import I'm going to go ahead and delete all this. Press Ctrl+A and delete key on my keyboard, then click on delete. Now, we want to see how we can easily import folders into our Filmora video editing software. For that, go ahead and click on here and then hit on import a media folder. Click on that. Then here, you have this dialog box right here. You can locate where you have your folder in your Windows PC or your Mac, as the case may be. So I have my material file right here on my desktop. So I will just go ahead and look for the file. So here we go. So I have my recording file here, then material folder, hit on OK. Then everything you have in the folder is going to open up just like what you see right here in Filmora video editing software. So we can go on and drag the file into our workspace. Just like so, like for instance, I can decide to drag this into my workspace right here. Then we have it right here. So all the elements that make up the folder is going to open up. One great thing here is that we can create as many as possible more folder right here. So for that, what we want to do is to go ahead and we'll make sure we click on this plus sign right here. So click on this plus sign. This will allow you to create more folder. We can call this new videos file and hit enter. So we can import all the elements in here. So we click on here, and then what we want to do here is to go ahead and then select all the file that we want to import right here. So I'm going to press Ctrl key down and go ahead, and then I'll go ahead and check on the desktop right here. Then I will locate where I have some of the elements that I want to put into that folder. So I'm going to press Ctrl key down, select this, and hit on open. Then we have another element in this folder right here. So we have folder 1 right here, and we have folder 2 right here. So you can create as many as possible folder in this regard. Let's take a look at another way to import media files or folder in Filmora. Come back to the top right here, click on here. Then you have import from camera or phone. You have import with instance cluster 2. We have import with auto bit synchronize, and we have import from other apps like from Google Drive, from OneDrive, and Dropbox. These are all other ways by which you can import your media file into Filmora video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.